In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and find photos in OneDrive. Navigating through a large collection of photos can sometimes feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack. With the help of OneDrive, you can organize all your digital memories efficiently, making them easy to locate whenever you need them. So, let's dive in and explore how you can keep your photo collection neat and orderly. First, let's start by uploading your photos to OneDrive. Open your OneDrive app on your device or go to the OneDrive website on your computer. Once you're there, look for the Upload button. You can either drag and drop your photos or use the file picker to select the pictures you want to upload. If you're using your phone, it's even easier. Just select the photos you want from your gallery or camera roll and share them directly to OneDrive. This way, all your important memories are safely backed up in one centralized location. Now that your photos are uploaded, it's time to organize them using folders. In OneDrive, you have the flexibility to create different folders based on your preference. You could organize by year, by event, or even by themes, whatever makes the most sense for you and helps you locate photos faster later. To create a new folder, simply click on the New button, select Folder, and then name it something that describes its contents. From this point, you can drag your photos into these folders or use the Move to option after selecting them. Next, adding tags and descriptions to your photos can improve organization and help in quickly finding specific images later. While OneDrive does a decent job of recognizing certain elements automatically, adding your own tags can further enhance this feature. Simply click on a photo, and either in the sidebar or through a context menu, you'll find options to add tags. Use keywords like location, occasion, or people in the photo to make future searches more efficient. Now, let's talk about the search functionality within OneDrive. If you've organized your photos well and tagged them appropriately, using the search bar can be incredibly powerful. Simply type in a date, tag, or keyword associated with the photo, and OneDrive will bring up all related images. This saves a tremendous amount of time compared to scrolling through countless pictures manually. Remember, even if you have thousands of photos, a well-structured system will ensure you can retrieve any image almost instantaneously. Lastly, let's discuss sharing your photos. Whether it's with family, friends, or colleagues, OneDrive makes this process seamless. Select the photos or folders you want to share, hit the Share button, and decide how you want to send them. You can either generate a link or send invitations via email, adjusting permissions as needed to decide who can view or edit what. By following these steps, you can transform a disorganized photo collection into a well-structured library that's easy to manage and search. I hope this guide has been helpful in making your digital life a little bit easier. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!